We are fully utilizing all the solar energy available through the solar project.
Hi, I'm Varun from Chola Packaging. Chola Packaging is into manufacturing of PPO bags. So we supply to various industries like sugar, cement, salt, and spices. We decided to go for solar project 2 years back because our industry is mainly concentrated on power. So we wanted to diversify and go green. We were in discussion with a lot of people, and they had suggested LONGi when we compare with other manufacturers. And we had also gone and spoken to Rajapadan Spinning Mill Association, a few of the owners, and they have suggested LONGi. So that is one of the main reasons why we were ready to go in for LONGi. The performance has been really nice, so we don't have any problem on the performance part. So we are really happy with the LONGi's performance. The LONGi panels are really good. Like our generation is always steady, so we don't have any big problem about that. Before we went in for the solar project, our power cost was costing us 9 rupees per unit. Now it is only costing us 5 rupees per unit. For whatever we had projected, the total annual savings should be coming to 36 lakh rupees.